Hey guys, my name is Max and I'm a car photographer out of Toronto, Canada. I shoot for a busy car detailing shop in downtown Toronto which is called AlphaShine, as well as for a car page called Cars Without Limits. If you want to learn a bit more about me, please visit my website and you can see some of my work. In today's video, I want to share with you how I edited this photo of a Ferrari F8 Tributo at a downtown parking garage right around sunset, and just wanted to show you some of my settings. If it is going a bit fast for you, just put the playback speed to half and you'll see how I did it in real time. Thanks, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so what I like to do is start off with the basic adjustments to exposure and the shadows mainly. I also want to use this time to adjust how dark the overall image will be in the shadows to make my subject stand out a bit more. I play around with the clarity and dehaze a little bit, but it can be easily overused, so I don't try to use it too much. Vibrance and saturation, I usually do the opposite, so vibrance lower, saturation higher. Then when I hop into the HSL tab, I'm just tweaking so that I can make the red pop a bit more, and as well I want to make the lightness around the car to give it that real golden hour look. So I'm usually just playing around with the yellows and oranges and the reds here. There is some blues, as you can see, in the corners of the image, in the condos as well as like in the fencing. So just playing around to see what I like a bit more, but really just trying to get that orange and red to pop out. So the shadows and highlights is really where I was able to sell this image. I decided to go with a bit more warmer tones in the highlights, and then in the shadows I decided to go with something a bit more blue, greenish, and this is just the way I'd like to do it. There's so many different ways that I could have gone with it, but I really like this look and just kind of stuck to it. Now when you move on to the sharpening of the image, I like to do a lot of the masking because I don't need the entire image sharpened, I just need a bit of it. So I put the masking up higher, but the sharpening up higher as well. So this will just dial it down to just my subject and overall cleans it up. I also add a little bit of noise reduction, so I up it to about 15, and I find that makes it a bit smoother in different parts of the image. So I did do a little bit of color calibration at the bottom, just up the saturation again, and I found the image was overall a little bit dark, so I added a bit more exposure. And this is close to the final image that I got, and I was just really happy with it. I did try to do some tone curve, but found that ultimately I really didn't need it, so I ended up just skipping out on this part. I was pretty happy without, and yeah, these are the different settings I used. If you guys are more than welcome to use them. Also try to link the raw images of this shoot so you can play around and see what you guys come up with. I would be very curious. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys learned a bit more, and just keep creating. I will be creating more of these on a weekly basis from all of the shoots that I do. I have about 3 to 4 shoots a week, so there's going to be a lot of content, and if you're interested in seeing my editing process for those, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell, and you'll see every time that I upload a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.